Alright guys, so this is super weird. A lot of people have been saying that Andrew Tate has had the shift in his behavior after release. And recently he tweeted out saying, "I have so much love inside of me. Love is the ultimate driving force. I can turn it into rage. Endless motivation to do what I know is right. I could turn it into deep calm. Love makes me smile anytime I choose. Love makes me cry anytime I choose. I love all of you. And you know, as I said in previous videos, Andrew Tate has been talking a lot about him getting potentially killed, and he's been retweeting older tweets of it. And recently he did it again. As you can see, this tweet, he retweeted it literally a couple of hours ago. That's like 6 times mentioning him getting killed in the past 3 days. It's absolutely insane.
I understand that you get 3 strikes in this game. Strike 1 is they try and shut you up and discredit you, which I've just been through. Strike 2 is they try and put you in jail for no reason. And strike 3 is they kill you. And one of my strikes is now gone, and I now firmly believe that they're gonna try and kill me because they want me to be quiet and I'm not being quiet.
Now there are some good news that there are some funny things from Andrew Tate that he hasn't shared publicly. So, yeah, leave a like on the video, subscribe with notifications.